Hello, ambitious go-getters. Are you ready to redefine your income streams right here in Pakistan? If you've been looking for ways to make money online, this is the video for you. Let's jump straight into it, shall we? Idea number 1. Freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are incredible platforms where you can offer your skills. Are you a graphic designer? A content writer? A programmer? There's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Second idea, starting your own online store. With platforms like Daraz and Shopsy, setting up your online store has never been easier. Have you got a knack for creating unique arts and crafts, or perhaps you're into fashion? Showcase your products online and watch the orders roll in. Thirdly, let's talk about blogging and vlogging. Do you have a passion for a specific topic? Share your ideas, your experiences, your insights with the world. And with platforms like YouTube and WordPress, you can earn money through ad revenue and sponsorships. Lastly, consider online tutoring. In this digital age, education is at our fingertips. If you're an expert in a subject, offer your tutoring services online. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com are fantastic places to start. Which idea seems really appealing to you? Do tell in the comments. Remember, the key to success in the online world is consistency, dedication, and delivering quality. Be patient and persistent, and you'll see the fruits of your efforts. So, that's it, folks. 4 exciting ways for you to make money online right here in Pakistan. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. June is your month to start this journey. This is Ijlal Hashmi, signing off.